Hey, how's it going? My name is Terrell and welcome to today's video. On today's video, we're going to be doing the LED lights with actually using the clips instead of using soldering. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is actually what we're going to be making. Well, this is what I made here. I just made a big T. I just wanted to do something. I just wanted to just show you how to put the lights on there, and that'll be it. I just wanted to show you something to what you can do with it, and the possibilities and everything. And you can see here, I'm actually using the clips instead of soldering. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you how to do this. It's very simple. Once I understood what was going on, kind of messed up right here. I didn't get the, but that's but yeah, so that's what we'll be doing, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I had a picture up here at one point in time, but I took it down because I want to put this up here. So let's get started. Oh, I did forget something. For anybody who wants to know, these lights, they can change colors. I know it's kind of hard to tell with this other light on. Hold on. One more. So yeah, with this light you can change colors. So if you wonder, you can change colors. And with the brand that I have, it has real good sticky adhesive in the back of it, so it's not gonna come off the wall. I'm like pulling it. Like if you pull it hard, it'll eventually come off, but it's gonna stick on there pretty well, so you don't need clips or really anything like that if you don't want to use it. So okay, so yeah, let's get back to the video now. Okay, so on my first video I couldn't get this going, but now I figured it out, and it wasn't hard at all. So the LED lights and the connections come separately. You have to buy them separately. You gotta get the right ones to make the right connection. I'll leave the links in the description down below, so if you want to buy them, you can go ahead and get them from there. So let's begin. When you get the pack, it comes in a white box like this, and these are just some of the pieces in there. I didn't want to bring them all out here, but for the most part you get these connections here, one of these connections which goes to like the power source here, and then it'll go to the LED here, a T bracket here, or a T joint, or whatever you want to call it, a L joint, and the ones that actually just makes it longer, just a regular connection. So I'm going to be showing everybody how to do these, and it's really simple, really simple after after looking at it and figuring it out. So let's begin. Let's say if you just have your basic LED strip here, and you have your power source, which is here, you can still make this work with all these pieces here. You just gotta know what to put together and how to put it together. First thing is, the important thing is you gotta cut along the line here, wherever your connections are at. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece here, just like that. Then I'm gonna cut another one here just so I can show you it does connect right there. So all right, so we got two end pieces, and like I said, the adhesive also, before I forget, it's a adhesive on the back that is very sticky, if you want to, when you put it on the wall. So you really don't need clip. First is the power source. You can go ahead and get that ready, and it's very simple actually. Let's say if you want to connect two ends together, you'll put the first piece in like so, and you put it underneath the little tabs at the bottom. We'll connect the two here, and make sure. The problem I had in my last video is I didn't check these numbers here. So basically it's a 12, a G, an R, and a B, and those actually have to keep consistent, because that was my problem. When I was making a connection, they wasn't consistent, and that's the problem I was coming across. So what I'll do was, on my last video, I did I got 2 pieces. I will cut it in half like so. And once I cut it, I would assume that the part that I just cut is a part I'll connect, but it's not. You actually have to turn it around to the opposite end, and then that will continue the line. And that's where I messed up at. So that's basically how I messed up. The two 12 volts wasn't touching each other. Well, the connections wasn't touching each other, the right ones. So I had them backwards like that. And because of that, the other end didn't continue. So for example, so we can go ahead and connect this one here. There. And the 212, the 12 volt GRB. There. We close that. And there you go. So that's connecting the pieces. The next part is actually connecting the power source. I did forgot to tell y'all about these. These also come in a pack. So what you'll do is this. You can grab, let's see here. We'll grab one here. This thing here goes inside of this here. Like so. And then this thing here goes inside of here, like so. And then this tip right here opens up, and same thing. And make sure you gotta make sure you match the colors up. Again, I messed up here. See, these are not just not the right side. There we go. See right there, connect them, close that. Let's try it now. Okay, we're getting there. I messed up somewhere. So let's find out where I messed up. So I guess this last one, let's look at it. Let's see what I did. All right, so let's look at this. Let's see what's going on here. Someone's coming on, blue works, green does not work, red works. The problem is green. So let's open this back up. Let's open up both sides, actually. And we're gonna check the connection in here, because what's going on is the connections are not touching correctly. And because of that, it's not changing it's not on the right color. So now let's close it and let's see what this works. There we go. So let's check it. Red, green, blue. So it looks like the blue is not working. So let's check this again. Oh, see? So look, it has a short in it. That can happen. Red, green, blue. Yep. So yeah, it does have a little short in it. That can't happen because these clips, all you're doing is sliding the metal on there. So you gotta make sure you get a good connection and everything, so it will do what it's supposed to do. And like sometimes you may have to slide it up or down inside there. Like if you slide it up too much, it doesn't work at all. So you may have to slide it down. And when I say up and down, I mean up in this direction. And then let's try it now. So it's not touching the green. Let's slide a little bit. Okay, there we go. There we go. And that's it. So that's how you do the lights. And if you want to use this, these are just extenders to where it won't be a spot, or if you need to bend the LEDs. So all you'll do, same process, is you plug this in here. Make sure you are connecting to the right spot. push it in, close it. Let's grab another piece. Okay, I got this one here. This is found. Instead of you going that way, make sure you turn around because you gotta make a match. So look, I have a short on this one too. I think it's on this end here. So let's open this one back up. Pull it out a little bit. And there you have it. Let's continuing on. So let's try red, green, blue. All right, so let's try the last other, well, a few other pieces. This is the L one, the L piece. Same thing, you'll look and make sure the plus 12 and the plus 12 is there. You can connect this one here. Close, close. You can grab another piece. If you're not sure, you can always open this up if you can't see the numbers. Here. Flip it around. Close. Close up. So there's a short on this end here. You can see when you move this one starts to light up. So let's open this one back up. Position up. There we go. Let's try it again. But the only issue is once you start pulling it in and out, so many times it does get wore out. Thinking that's what's going on also. Now just push it up some, like this way, a little bit, and I think, there we go, let's see. But yeah, once the copper starts getting wore out, it's a possibility that end's not gonna be good anymore. So that's probably what's going on here. Yeah. What you can do is this, pull these things out and actually take them off and replace them. So if you get one that's bad, you can just replace the tips, the ends of them, and go down that route. So let's do this right quick. There we go, see? So like I said, sometimes these clips are bad or they just need to be repositioned. So it looked like the clip wasn't necessarily bad, I just had to reposition everything. So take everything off and then reconnect everything. And that's pretty much it. Now the only thing I haven't showed you, oh, the T. So what you'll do is once you connect the two sides, if we have two sides, so with the T, I went ahead and took off the clips and you can just connect it this way also. So that will go here. And then now you'll connect your two end pieces here. Then you connect this one here. There you go. And that's how you connect them. Maybe you can also put this one on this side also if you want to, but it's not necessarily have to. If I'm not sure what design or what pattern you want to do with the lights, but if you want to, you put it here to kind of connect the flow. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how you do the clips. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave some comments down below, and we'll try to get to them.